them. Look at the pictures. Look at the different ones.
That one.
Which one? Did you see the different ones?
I want that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, well, let's look at all of them. We've got lots of books to look at.
I want that one. I want two.
You want the dinosaur one and the train one?
Yeah.
Well, all of these are yours. They're for you and your brother to share. Yeah. Well, let's look at what other ones are there. There's lots of dinosaur books. Well, I remember this one when I was little. I liked it. What other books are there, Keegan? Well, let's take one out at a time and look at the different colors. There's a lot of Black Lagoon books. Oh, what is that one?
Eagle one. What's that? What's that?
Is it an eagle one or is that a parrot?
The parrot one. Parrot.
Oh, is this one about ants?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, this little boy is sick. What are these ones? Another dinosaur book.
Penguin.
What's this one, Keegan?
Parrot on my phone.
Do you think that your baby brother will like that book?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about this one?
I want Mount Dinosaurs. True.
There's lots of. Look about this. It's got a crocodile. You know who that is?
Bear.
Yeah, Corduroy.
Golden boy. The ball.
What's this one?
Town one.
What are they?
Penguin.
What one are we going to read, Keegan?
That one.
The Magic School Bus?